In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a phone number on PayPal. If you want to update your contact details, switch to a new number, or simply remove an old phone number from your PayPal account, this process is very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do it confidently without getting lost in the account settings. To begin, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and looking at your account page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This gear icon opens your account settings, which is where PayPal stores personal information like your phone numbers, email addresses, and other profile details. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open settings. After the settings page loads, find the phone number section. Here, you should see the phone numbers currently connected to your account. Locate the specific number you want to remove. Next to that number, you'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on the three-dotted line beside the number you want to delete. This menu gives you additional actions for that specific phone number. Once the menu opens, you should see the option to remove the number. Click on Remove. This tells PayPal that you want to delete that phone number from your account. At this point, PayPal may ask you to confirm the action, depending on your account setup or security settings. If a confirmation prompt appears, just review it carefully and continue with the removal if that's the number you no longer want on the account. It's always a good idea to double check that you're deleting the correct number, especially if you use one number for login verification or security alerts. One important tip before you remove a number. If it's your only phone number on the account, or it's currently being used for security purposes, you may want to and confirm a replacement number first. That can help you avoid issues with receiving verification codes or account alerts later on. And that's all it takes. Open the settings using the gear icon, click the three-dot menu beside the phone number, and then choose Remove. It's a simple process that only takes a moment once you know where everything is. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove or delete a phone number on PayPal quickly and easily.